Welcome back, everyone. In this section, we're going to learn about more constraints that we can use when setting up a table. So when I say constraint, I'm referring to things like not null, right? We saw what that meant. If we use not null on a column, it can't be null. That is a constraint. We also saw that we could use primary key. There's another example. And the next one of those constraints we're going to learn is called unique. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a way of setting up and enforcing the uniqueness of a particular column. So in this table, companies, there's a lot of stuff going on, but all that really matters is right here. Phone is a varchar, 15 characters at most. It's not null, cannot be null, and it has to be unique. So let me show you what happens if we set up a table with this unique constraint. So let's do a simpler one. Just create table contacts. So we'll have a contacts table, and it's going to be super simple. We'll just have a name, which is varchar, not null, and let's have that be, 100 characters. And then we'll also have phone, which is varchar. Sure, we'll say 15. And we'll say it also can't be null, and it has to be unique. Let's try running this. Okay, and I'm going to do an insert into contacts. We'll do name and phone values. And let's start with a simple one like, Billy Bob is our contact's name. Phone number is 878-121-3455. Okay. So that's our first person that we will insert, or our first contact. Let's just make sure that works. Add my semicolon. Okay, seems to have worked. Of course, we'll do select star from contacts, and nothing is at all changed or unexpected. However, if I now go and try and insert a couple more, let's insert into contacts. We could have the same name, Billy Bob. It doesn't matter, but let's do another name. How about like Timmy, Tim. And then we keep the same phone number, and I insert this. Oh no, we get an error. It says duplicate entry 878-121-3455 for this key phone. So it's maybe not the most helpful message. I mean, it's clear enough what's going on. It says there's a duplicate value, and that's fine, right? It's not really, this is not like an end user facing error that says that username or that phone number is already taken or something like that. Instead, it's just, nitty gritty duplicate entry for this key. But it works. If I select star from contacts, we'll see that we only have one person in there, one contact with that phone number. So Billy Bob, like I said, that can be duplicated, Billy Bob. But if I change this just by one digit, let's say that's the phone number, and I insert that, no problem. Select star from contacts. Name is Billy Bob twice, but phone has to be unique. Okay, so that's the unique constraint. We can add it on to any of the fields we want to define. Something like primary key, as we already know, has to be unique. So you don't want to say primary key and unique for the same column. In the same way that not null is redundant for a primary key, because primary keys are required, they can't be null, and they must be unique. Okay,